In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect or link TikTok to StanStore. In order to do that, you first need to head over to your StanStore, and from in there, just head over to their website. Click onto this sign up option in order to create an account, or you can also click onto this continue option in order to log in or create an account from here. If you wish to log in into your existing account, click onto this login option that we can find into this part. Let me head over and log into mine. Here is my dashboard. In order to connect your TikTok to your StanStore, you need to head over right here to your store setup and click on this connect socials. If you don't find your setup already, click on this settings. And then from in there, you can find in here these options. You can find analytics, other options, and the likes. So what you can do is you can proceed to integrate TikTok using our store by going over right here on my store option and editing right here your section. Now on our part, let's proceed to connect our socials. Now in here, just input right here your socials by inputting your username for TikTok. You can also input right here other socials like email, Spotify, and the likes, but for this video's sake, let's proceed to just add our TikTok into this part. Once you're done, click onto this save option. And when you actually hover to your My Store, you can see that we have the TikTok icon. This means that we are actually connected already on our TikTok, and this means successful integration. And when you click on it, we will be redirected to the user that we added into this part. So in here, when people click on our store, they will find the account that has actually connected to it. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.